Amazon FBA versus Amazon seller. The difference between Amazon FBA and an Amazon seller lies mainly in how products are stored, managed, and shipped. Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, means you send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon handles everything from packaging and shipping to customer service and returns. This setup allows sellers to focus more on marketing and growth while Amazon takes care of the logistics. It's ideal for sellers who want to scale quickly and offer prime shipping to customers. An Amazon seller, FBM, fulfilled by merchant, on the other hand, means you handle storage, shipping, and customer service yourself. You list products on Amazon's marketplace, but all logistics remain your responsibility. This gives you more control over your business and potentially higher profit margins, but it also requires more effort, time, and management of operations. FBM sellers often choose this route for custom, low volume, or oversized products. In real-world use, many sellers start with Amazon FBA because it's easier to manage and helps build credibility with customers through Prime eligibility. However, larger or more experienced sellers sometimes combine both FBA and FBM to balance cost, control, and flexibility. The right choice depends on your product type, volume, and goals. FBA suits automation and scale, while FBM favors independence and lower fees. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze Amazon FBA versus seller strategies and grow your business effectively at no cost.